HVAC noise. The goals and objectives of this case study are to locate the HVAC noise at different levels inside a full-size sedan and determine the corresponding noise levels. Here, the engine was running at the idle speed and AC level was set to the lowest, so the overall HVAC noise was barely noticeable. Yet, sound viewer can easily locate where HVAC noise is from, specify sound pressure level distribution, and the corresponding spectrogram. Sound viewer has a playback key that allows one to play the reconstructed sound pressure signal along with its spectrogram in the time domain. When the AC level was set to the highest, the overall interior noise was very high. We can use the playback to listen to the reconstructed sound pressure signal and the corresponding spectrogram in the time domain. Thank you for your attention. For more information, please contact Dr. Sean F. Wu at seanwu@signal-wise.com.